I have visited the fields also, and also aerial survey I have done today. It is a big devastation. Timely, we are able to manage because of preparedness. We have prepared all administration very well. And also for the last 5 days, I am monitoring personally. We alerted last mile administration and also politicians to bring awareness among public. We conducted camps also. Even 180,000 people were kept in the camps. We have arranged everything. Because of all our efforts, we are able to reduce the deaths.
Sir, how are you ensuring the farmers' safety, especially during cyclones, sir?
One is cyclone, and also over a period of time, farmers are not in a position to maintain this drainage. Drainage is the biggest issue in this area. Now I am thinking some people are vested interest. They stop drainage, which is going to sea also. These are all the problems we are facing. I noticed all these things. We will be drastic. We will get it done. How to do it?
Sir, in Budameru, we saw how drones were deployed. For cyclone also, do you think we will need some kind of special measures to be taken, for these kind of calamities to be averted and make it easier for the public?
There is a legacy problem. It has come. Today, this cyclone, if you see, we are having real-time governance. Tomorrow, I am going to explain to you how we are monitoring rainfall, flood management, even thunderbolt prediction, deploying officers to the last mile, and bring awareness. Everything we have done. Because of all those things, we are able to reduce the death. I made it very clear, no casualty. 0 deaths, that is our motive, that is how we worked. Only 2 or 3 were reported. Second thing, we have to reduce the total loss. Either houses also this time, if you see, very less houses. 112 like that. Houses were damaged. Even cattle damage is very less. Only fields. There are historical problems in the fields. All drainage is not going freely. So many problems. We are going to work it out.
So yet again in calamities, we're seeing a lot of, fake news that is going on, creating panic amongst the public. What do you have to say?
No, this has become a passion and also profession for them. That is where they are doing. Now we are very clear. You are going to see how to act. People are happy. These fake fellows are not happy.